Okay, this video is about more end behavior asymptotes and just more practice with oblique or slant asymptotes, calculating them from the equation. So you'll recall that to find end behavior asymptotes of any sort, we use Bobbio-Botno eats DC, and there's your descriptions. Big on bottom, y equals 0. Big on top, no horizontal, but oblique. Eats DC is exponents are the same, we divide the coefficients. Alright, so today's lesson is just about gaining experience finding the oblique asymptotes. Nothing more, nothing less, just more practice of the same thing we did yesterday, but specifically the oblique ones. Alright, so look at this one. Here's your equation. Let's think. Bobbio-Botno eats DC. Here's my highest exponent on top. Is x squared on the bottom. It's x to the first. So that's a big on top. So that's a Botno. So that means there's no horizontal, but it's oblique. So I have to do some division. So using synthetic division, I'm going to divide by the bottom. So use a positive 2. And in the division problem, I put my coefficients in order. 3, negative 12, 10. Divide it out. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 2, negative 12. And 10 minus 12 is negative 2. Remember, with remainders, we cross them out, we ignore them, and then we put our powers of x in. The original was x squared, this one will just be x. So my oblique asymptote will simply be 3x minus 6. Okay, we will get to where we graph this, but right now I want you to be comfortable calculating it first. Another example. Okay, on this example, again, x cubed over x squared. So again, it's a big on top, no horizontal, but an oblique asymptote. Now what's different about this one is this equation, the denominator, is quadratic. Right? If it's quadratic, that means I have to use long division instead of synthetic. You cannot use synthetic division if that x is squared or cubed or anything besides x to the first power. So I have to use long division to get my oblique asymptote. So I build my problem. Okay, don't forget on the outside I'm going to need a placeholder, x squared plus 0x plus 3. Then you walk through the problem. Alright, now again, same questions as before. What times x squared is going to be 4x cubed? 4x. Multiply it out, you get 4x cubed plus 0x squared plus 12x. Go through and change your signs. This first term is 0. This is negative 1x squared. This becomes negative 15x plus 0. Okay, what times x squared is negative 1x squared? A negative 1. So I can go negative 1x squared plus 0x minus 3. Change my signs. That becomes positive, negative, positive. This is 0. This is negative 15x plus 3. But it's a remainder. Look, the power of x is less than what you divided by, so it's a remainder, so I throw it out. So my answer, or my end behavior asymptote, is y equals 4x minus 1. Alright, look at this one. It's another Botno, big on top. Thankfully, the bottom is linear, so I can use good old synthetic. So I use 4, 1, 3, 2, divide it out. 1 times 4 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 times 4, 28, plus 2 is 30. So ignore the remainder, add your powers of x. So y equals x plus 7. There is my oblique asymptote. For the whisk, I want you to find the asymptote for this one. It will be oblique. Pay attention to this. This is quadratic, so you're going to have to use long division. So use your long division, find that solution for me. Remember to ignore any remainders. All right, good luck, and see you in class.